Hey guys, what's up? This is Wali from BizBloggerKP.com and you are learning PHP project, CMS system and the website. Friends, in previous video I left you here. We inserted the data, the title of our posts which were saved in our database, and we retrieved that from database. For example, the title, the date, the author, the content. And what I did when I left you previously, I just inserted some more content inside the post, some dummy text for that purpose that it shows a little bit more content, and I just inserted some posts which are directly coming from our database. Here are the posts you can see inside or that folder, or that table which is post. So the data is here in our database and showing in this way on this page. And also we had some if you know, a folder inside Malala project, and that folder is images, and all the images are here which were inserted with this post. So now the important part is we need to show the images on this page with the specific post. For example, with this post we have an image inserted, in the another post we have an image inserted, so we want to show those images along with this post, the specific post. So for that purpose it's very simple. We need to insert the image after the posted by the author name, and the above one is published on the date. We echoed the post date variable from here, and the data we were receiving from the database using this array. Yeah, so now for showing the images with the specific post, you need to just after the author we need to insert the post here, the image here. So just say a center tag, so the image will be centered, aligned, and after that the img tag, and the source of that image will be images, this folder which we have here inside Malala folder. So that is the folder images, and after that a backslash, and then you will insert the PHP codes, the PHP block, and then you will echo this post image variable which is coming from the database. Here I will show you here this image, post image, and which is retrieving the name of the image in the database. Inside the database we have here, you can see post image, this is the name of the image, Malala Yousafzai underscore picture 3.jpg, Malala Yousafzai picture 1.jpg, and this is the another name, this is the another name. So these all names will be we are calling just that name. We saved that name in this local variable, and now we are just going to echo that image name. So what will be done, our script will go to images folder and will find this name of the image which we have in the database, and will show this. So basically this is this task is done by two things: one from the file server which is in image folder, and this is the database from where we are retrieving the name of the image, and we are just matching that with this images folder, and the same exact image will be shown or will be displayed on the post on this page. So just go ahead, and this is the image variable, and after that just say this is the image tag. Inside the image img tag, img html tag, we are showing this image. That is very necessary. Now the image may have different sizes. For example, image may have very big size or very larger size, so you can just specify the width for the image to show here that for example 500 pixels, and the height for example you say the height should be 400 pixel or 300 pixel or whatsoever you want. So now this is the image tag, and close center, so the image will be center aligned. Control S to save. Now you will see this every image with this, with every post you will see the same image which we inserted during the insertion of the post. Just refresh this page. Yeah, you are seeing here the exact image, Pakistan President Zardari meets Malala. This image was inserted with this post, and come here, this image was inserted with this post, this was with this. In all the posts Malala Yousafzai was attacked in Swat, this image was inserted with this post. and all the images are coming with the post. This is very simple. If I want to decrease the height to 300, that would be more good, and our page will be a little bit, yeah. So here I am. So now this page, all the posts are coming here, and if you know, we we had given a height of 600 to this sidebar as well. So later on we will basically remove that height as well, which we already have removed from this post body. From here we also need to remove that from here, because we don't need a fixed height or an exact height, because we may insert some content inside here using PHP dynamic content. So now what I wanted to just teach you in this post, that first of all, inserting images into our post, and the second thing that we have some content here. You can see the content is long, more contents here, the post content. So if we want to insert a read more button here or read more link here, we can insert, because if you want to show a little bit text, for example 200 character or 150 character, we can show. And also we will use a random query, okay, a random query which will actually done a job. For example, we want to show only 4 posts from the database. There are many posts, for example there may be 10 posts or 20 posts, but we want to show the 4 posts randomly from the database. So for that purpose we need to do a little bit task. First of all, we need to say that using a substr, this is a subscription a command, a function or command you can say, for subscription. For example, you just said that I need from 0 to 200 words. Yeah, just insert a comma, here, then 0, then comma, and then 200. And inside this function we said that from this variable post content we need not all the content. Maybe there are 500 characters or 1000 characters. So we said that only 200 characters should be shown. The rest will be shown when someone will click the read more option. So Ctrl S to save. Now come here and refresh this page. You can see here the this is the content, but this is I think more than 200 characters. Just refresh the page and you are seeing now just 200 characters. But here we should insert a link for read more. So read more on the, when someone click the read more button, so the rest of the page or the rest of the content will be shown on another page. So come here, just say come here, I think for example the post content, just insert a link here. Okay, this is the link, a link inside this, for example maybe just another paragraph. Okay, another paragraph here, and align, make the align into right, and inside this hyperreference and say that pages.php. yeah, this is this will be a new page, and we just say read more is the anchor text, and the paragraph is also closed. What we are saying? We are saying that after the paragraph, the content, we inserted another paragraph, and the align should be right, and we said that a hyperreference pages.php and read more link. So when this one the person will click this read more link, this will be redirected to pages.php, which will be a new page which we can later on create. Now come here, refresh. So here is the read more link. With every post you can just come down. This is another post, and this is another post. It's read more link. Okay, so with all of these, the read more link is there. Now here is the query that we said select all from post. Yeah, now here I want to tell you that if you want to show limited posts or some posts, then we can just say order by here we will use a random query or a random command that randomly show 4 posts. For example, we say limit from 0 to 4. Yes, just we said that select all from post, but order by randomly show 0 to 4 posts. For example, 4 posts, we are saying 4 posts should be shown displayed randomly. On each refresh, this query will show now just only 4 posts. Refresh this, you can see this has changed. Before here was Zardari post, now this is Malala wishes for the world. And come here, there are only 4 posts. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, now if you refresh this page again, so this is changed. Now you can see all the 4 posts are changed. So this is done for by that random query or random command in PHP. And now you are absolutely on a very dynamic website. You can see everything is changed with 4 random posts are coming from the database, and just by using this rand command. And we said that limit 0 to 4, you can use limit 0 to 3 or 0 to 5 or whatsoever you like. Okay, so I actually wanted to show these images inside this and the read more links, and also the random query I wanted to use in this tutorial. And our upcoming tutorial we will work a little bit on this sidebar, and then we can go ahead and a little bit design this page. For example, in our upcoming tutorial we will create the pages.php. When someone will click this title or this read more link, so the person will be on another page with complete content. So stay tuned.